An unnamed tuple is basically a tuple without parameter names. If you think of a tuple like a function that has parameters. In this case, there are no names here. So how do you access each of the different items in a tuple that don't have names? It's simple. We use dot notation and start with an index 0, similar to an array. So if we want to print the second value, the way to do that is we write the print function and then we print my point dot 1. Dot 1 prints the second value because we start at 0, just like an array where we start at index 0. So when we do this, it will now print the value 3. Using unnamed tuples is not recommended because it makes the code much harder to read. So let's go and fix this.